Hello everyone. Good evening to another video my channel. So today I'll be showing you one of my indicators for the intraday buy sell setup. So this is very much useful the for everyone, whoever is having even in-depth knowledge or even if he doesn't have. So it's very simple and easy to use, and the risk to reward is very high. And as you understand, in this particular market, if there is if the reward is high, there will be risk. That means, so whenever you will get good reward, at the same time there will be risk associated with it. So here the risk is not the SL, but the SL number of SL hit. So for few of the days, so out of 10 trades, might be your 3 or 4 SL will be hit, but your reward will be very high, that it will ultimately compensate and it will keep you in the profit. So I'll quickly show you the like how the indicator works on different charts, and I'll quickly show you some backtesting result. So let's get started. First thing is, while using that indicator, the rule for going into long side is, whenever you see this particular green arrow is generated, that means it is giving you a buy signal. So this will be your reference candle. And whenever this reference candle's high is breached, you should be immediately entering the trade. Now, what should be your SL? The SL should be, if this candle's low is higher than the previous candle's low, then your previous candle's low minus 20 points will be your SL, or 15 points will be your SL. If the previous candle's low is not lower than this reference candle's low, then previous to that candle, if that is a red candle, that should be your reference candle. I mean, low of that particular candle should be your reference candle. Okay, so let's take this example and see how much we are getting for last day's trading session. So we can see at around 11:10 we got a buy signal. So we are waiting for the high to be breached. So the high is breached on 11:55, and as and when it breached, we'll be entering. And but our SL should be this 11:5 candles low minus 20 points. So my SL is 48,156. My entry is 48,265, and my target should be at least 1:1.5 or 1:2. So see how much our reward is. How much our reward is. Sorry. So this is our entry, this is our SL, and see our reward is almost 1:3 here. So don't you think like putting 100-point SL and getting almost 300 point of reward? And for the initial trader, I would say keep the risk to reward as not more than 1:1.5. That itself will keep you in profitable position. So don't wait for too long, but it's not that easy to hold the trade, for that long and wait for the target. And also, I am recommending this indicator for the persons who don't have much understanding on the market, when it will be reversed, what is the exact strong resistance point or the support point from where the market can turn around. Okay, so those type of information is not available, or the knowledge that is not available for everyone, but still they can use it and earn very good money if they understand the basic of option trading or like the future trading, because in the index level you need to play in FNO, right? So let's take yesterday's example. So yesterday we did, I mean the day before yesterday, the previous trading session, there was no signal generated. Prior to that, yeah, there was one sell signal generated. So we'll be quickly drawing. So this should be our entry point. This should be our SL. As I said, some few points above this high. So our trade will be triggered as and when this candle's low is breached, and in the next candle only the low is breached. So our SL is at around 160 points. So this is a SL hit. Now, what is the condition here? See, our SL is hit in the first hour of the market, and we spent almost like till 12:40 to generate our signal, generate our next signal. So better will not be taking the trade for this particular day, because from this low, from 925, the market already moved up like 400 points, and not everyday market will be moving up like 800 or 100 points, right? 1000 points, right? So we should not be expecting that. So better we don't take the trade. Next day, see, a sell signal is generated at 2:45. So, and whole day there is no signal. So there is no point of entering into trade at like 2:45. So we'll be avoiding trades on those particular day. Okay, now next day, previous day, we got a buy signal. So we'll be drawing it. So in the next candle itself, we are getting that high is breached. So we'll be entering the trade, and the SLC here, the previous candle's low is not lower than this particular candle, reference candle, and even the previous candle is not lower than this particular candle. So what we'll do, we will be taking like 100, yeah, 120 or 130 points of stop loss. Okay, we better take one. Yeah, just take the 50% of this first candle. We cannot take the low of this particular first candle because our SL will be very big. There is no point of trading with 230 points, right? So we'll be just taking like 50% of, let's say, 90 points of stop loss, but our SL got hit. Okay, so our SL got hit, and whole day there is no signal generated. And here one signal is generated, but there should not be any point of entering into this particular trade, because our previous reference point was here. So we'll be entering only when this high will be breached now. Okay, so we'll ignore this particular trade. Now come to this day and see how beautiful our return is. So we got one profitable day, and we got like loss of uh like two days, two trading sessions, right? So see how beautifully we got uh profit in this particular day, the whole day, because the risk to reward is 1:2. See, 360 points, 368, almost like 370 points is our return. So don't you think this day, whatever we have gained in this particular day, see here we got 160 points, we lost 160 points. Here we got 160 points. So we are net to net. Now in this particular day, we will be losing how much? We'll be losing 90 points as we discussed, or let's consider 100 points. Okay, we lose 100 points, and here we got like let's say we take 1:2, still it's 300 points. So we are sitting in a profit of 200 and something, like 200, let's assume 200 points. Okay, See this day. We'll be entering here in this trade. We'll put SL here, only 50 points SL, 55 points SL. See, 200 points, almost 1:4. Even if you take 1:3 or 1:2.5, you don't need to wait that long. This day is very smooth, right? You will get easily 1:3, like 150 points, I'll assume. So again, you are in profit. Okay. Now here, the selling day. Now we'll see. Previous candles high and some plus 20 points. See, whole day market is low. Whole day market is low. See, we get almost 1:5, 150 points. We'll take trade next day. We got sell signal generated, but the low is not breached. So we are not going to enter. We got buy signal generated, high is breached, right? And we take previous candles low as the SL. So we'll be entering over here. This is our stop loss. See, our stop loss is not hit. We got almost like, yeah, the risk to reward is less. This cannot, we cannot do anything, right? If the market chose to be sideways, that is that is possible. But here we'll be getting 130 points. So you'll have to be happy with 130 points, or maybe you will wait for some bigger trend and you will book some of your profits over here with 60 points, but you are not in loss, at least, right? See, after entering in this candle, the market tried to, fell down, but the support from here pushed the market and pushed to the upwards. Let's see the previous day examples again. Here we are getting this as our reference candle, and whenever the high is breached, so what is the high of this candle? Is 46,849.55, and this is 46,850. Yeah, so this is our entry candle and this is our reference candle. So we'll be keeping the SL as this candle's low, and our target is almost 1:1. Okay, our target is almost 1:1. Okay, so we cannot consider this as a SL hit day, because uh, you know the person who will be taking the reward 1:2, 1:3 should be trading with multiple lots. But the problem for us, the general traders or the retail traders, the problem is they will enter with one lot and they will try to catch the trend from the bottom to the top, which is never going to happen. If the market is moving from 20 to 100, your target should be you enter at 30 or 40, you capture till 60, 70 as per your capacity, emotion, get out. If you try to enter the market at bottom and if you try to exit the market at top, you will enter at top and you will exit at bottom. That is going to happen. So don't try to do that. If you are trading with multiple lots with 1:1 risk to reward, book one lot. Okay. If you, so let's say you are trading with 3 lots. Okay. Book one lot whenever your 1:1 target is hit. Keep rest 2 lots with cost to cost. Now, if the market is going to reward you with 1:2 trade, then trade with that. Trade with that and wait for your target, that's target 2 to be hit, and then again trail your third lot to the target 1. And if then market is going to reward you with that 1:3 target, the risk to reward, take that particular target, or let market hit your trail SL and get out of the trade. That's how you should trade. But the problem is you will lose one day 100 points, And the next day, even if your risk to reward is not more than 100 points, you will still want to recover that with one lot itself, and will expect that market will move like 400, 500, 600 points every day, and you will again lose. Don't try that. Okay. Initially, you should be targeting small profits, and then you should be aiming for big after significant amount of experience you have gathered. You should be trying that. Okay, let's see the previous day's example. See over here, you got the short signal long signal generated on the first trade. So we'll be entering over here. We put some point lower here, the SL. Okay, we'll be losing 100 points. Okay, because our SL is hit. Fine. Now our sell side signal is generated. So this is our reference candle. We'll enter over here. Our SL should be over here and see our target. So our SL is 200 points and our target is almost 400 points. Yes, it's 400 points only. So 1:2. And now again, I will not suggest to trade anymore. So you take 2 trade every day. First one you got lost, second one your loss is recovered, fully recovered, and you are in profit. Get out of the trade. Every day, not every day market is like moving like V shape, right? Falling so much and again recovering so much. So don't try to enter that market. But even if still I'm just showing that if you enter in the trade over here with this particular candle, here also you are getting very beautiful return, more than 1:3. Okay, but we'll not consider this as a profitable trade. We lost over here, and this is where we made our profit, recovered our losses, so good. Here we got sell signal generated. Take the short position below this particular, and the previous candles is this one, which is very much higher, which is quite significantly higher. Take the SL and see our risk to reward almost 1:0.86. So yeah, it's not 1:1, but this one, but it's not possible to estimate that this is the lowest part of this day, right? This is the lowest candle of the day. So I'll assume like you have taken at least like 50 points for this particular day. Yeah, your risk to reward will be less, but you should be getting out of the trade when you are seeing the reversal. You should be getting out of the trade by taking 40-50 points. Now here we have got, see this day we have got sell signal generated. So we'll be entering below this candle and our SL will be here. See over here, our target is 380 points. Our SL is big, 250 points, but our target is also 1:1.5. Okay, so, and yeah, if your first trade is profitable, whatever you get in the second trade, if you are seeing your opportunity is more bigger, like in first trade you got only like 50-60 points, okay, or 80 points, and in the next trade you are seeing opportunity of getting 100 or 200 points. Never ever do that. Let the market go wherever it is trying to go. Don't try to firefight the market. You will always end up losing money. Okay, just take your profit. You have taken the trade. Market is very kind that in your first trade you got some decent profit. Get out of the market, close your system, relax, read some books, spend time with your family. That's it. And yes, here you have the overall time frame. which is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and daily, and the trend. So whenever this trend is going to change, it will be updated here. I'll show you some example stocks also. So there you can see if any stock is in the downtrend in for any particular time frame, it will show you over there. So I'll end my demonstration for the bank nifty here. Let's quickly jump on to nifty, and we'll see some stocks. Okay. So here last day you got sell signal generated, but low is breached. No, right? So no trade. Before that day you got sell signal generated. Here is our SL entry. Here is our SL, and our target is almost 1:2. Okay. So we end up in profit. Here as well in Bank Nifty, same as Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also we got our SL hit, sell signal generated. Then we enter into this particular long trade and we make very good profit. Here the SL should be over here. And here we get almost like 1:1.5, 1:1.5 profit. Okay, here no signal is generated. After 2 p.m. this sell signal is getting generated, so we don't enter the trade. Here also it is like at 150 this signal is getting generated, so there is no trade. This one will be SL hit, right? So this is SL hit. See here, see here, see here, this expiry, how beautiful. One day, your 1 day profit will recover all your losses, because this indicator is not going to miss any trend, any bigger trend. See how beautiful is this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, until the end of the trend, it is showing you this green arrow, green arrow. Even if you have taken this trade over here and see how much is the risk to reward is 1:6. You just get out at 1:3 for this type of days over here. You are done. Your market starts at 9:15. You are done at 10:30. 1 hour of work and just relax rest of the day. That's it. See here. Take long over here. Enter previous candles low -5 to 6 points. In case of Nifty, SL, see your 1:1.5 hit. Here you got sell signal generated. Short position will enter at low of this particular, and this is our SL. See, more than 1:1. At least you get out of at least with some 20-25 points. That should be enough for you for Nifty. Here we have one SL hit. Okay, there will be an SL hit, and then in the next trade we enter over here, reaching the high of this particular candle. This is our SL, and more than 1:3. Okay, here we have got buy signal generated. Our SL, more than 1:1. More than 1:1. Also got short position generated over here on that day. Enter over here will be SL hit. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I just told, right, that you should not be taking, if your first trade is profitable, then you should not be taking that trade. So we'll not be taking the trade. So here, see the time frame for Nifty in daily is in the downtrend. So here it is showing us downtrend. And if you want, you can change this particular time frame from here, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. Since this indicator is only for intraday, you can change it to 4 hours and see what is the status. Okay, see here. to 40. It is in 4 hours, it is in uptrend. So see how beautifully the trend is changing. So it will also give you the booster or the confidence to whether to enter the long or short. Okay, let's quickly see some examples for different charts. Let's see Bajaj Finance. See see how beautiful this indicator is working. So here it got sell signal. This is my SL. Okay, sorry, my bad. We got signal here only. We got signal here only. This is the highest candle. So I'll just put high of this particular, low of this particular swing, previous day's swing. Okay, as my SL. And what is the return I am getting? 73 points in Bajaj Finance. Risk to reward is almost 1:2. Okay, now previous day there is one SL is hit, low is 7275, low is 7275. See this level. This is not breaching this particular candle's low, right? So we'll not be entering this particular trade. So we are saved from here. And now again, here we are getting sell signal. Okay, but this low is breached, but this is in the same zone. Okay, and we are already seeing this market is sideways. So whoever is having basic price action knowledge, he will not be entering the trade. But still, as I have promised that this indicator is for the beginners or the new persons who are trading, I will take this SL. Okay, I'll take this SL, but see the other days how beautifully this will be working. So see, in this particular day we get a buy signal, and this is our stop loss. So this SL is hit. So we'll not take the trade. Now see here, this day, particular day we got sell signal generated. Okay, and our SL should be like the previous candle's high. See, you get, yes, you get 1:0.5, more than 1:0.5, but still you are getting something, right? This day you are getting, this is one SL hit. Okay, and you are getting a sell signal over here. So whenever the low is breached, you will be getting your target. Here is my reference candle, and here my low is breached. So I'll be entering here, and my target, my SL will be, this is a higher candle. So this is my SL. This one red candles high and plus some points, right? So 1:1.7, 1:1.5, I'll assume. So here, how much point we lose? We entered here. Our SL will be some lower candles, right? Which is lower than this. Let's say this green candles low and some points. So we'll be losing only 14 points. So our loss is recovered here. See this beautiful trending day. Yeah. In the second candle, it is letting you enter. Enter over here, you put, this candle is very big, so you just put SL over here, 50% of this first candle, and see how much you are getting. So you will get quite a few these trending days, and those days you will gain so much that giving few small points of SL will not matter to you much. See, you enter here in this particular day, whole day it is respecting this level. This is the lowest level of this particular day, and the market is above this for the whole day. Let's get into some other other trades, other stocks, which is like what stock should I select? Let's select. See here. Here this day you get one SL hit. This is your entry point. This green candle breached the low, but your SL is hit. And then again at very late point of time you are getting the entry signal, so you will not be entering the trade. But see this particular day how much you are getting. You enter here. This is your SL and your target is huge, more than 2:2, 37 points in the Reliance. In this particular day is also your SL is hit. Okay. There is no signal in this particular day. No signal in this particular day. Here you are getting one signal and your SL is hit. And now see here in this particular. How much you are getting. So 50% of the first candle. Any trending day will not be missed by this particular indicator. 64 points in Reliance. See here also you'll get some good profit. Short position. This will be your entry point. This is your stop loss, and you'll be getting some decent profit here. More than 1:1. More than 1:1 here. You just take trade as I told, like 1:1.5 and get out of the trade. That's fair enough. Here also you are getting some buy signal. So this is your entry. This is your stop loss. You are getting almost 1:0.8. So yeah, this is almost sideways days, right? So for sideways days, there cannot do anything. Here, see here is my buy signal generated and the high is breached in this candle. So I'll be entering here. My SL will be this one. So I'm getting some 1:0.78 this profit. Okay. Yeah, actually little more than that, but yeah, probably this 0.7, 0.8. And now see this particular day. See this particular day, as I told, there will be, if there is a trending day, you just should be taking trades every day, following this indicator. Whenever you get signal, you take the trade. See how beautiful you are getting. 1:2, more than 1:2. So whatever signal you are getting, just take the trade and let your target 1:1 or 1:0.8. Just book small. If you are trading in stocks, then you should be taking at least 5 stocks or 10 stocks, right? If you are a very much beginner, you should be playing with small quantity. So take the trade and book small quantity. If you are trading with 10 quantity, then you should be booking 5 quantity at 0.5, and then book some quantity at 0.75, and then book rest as 1:1. Just keep one quantity for 1:1.5. Slowly you will understand how the market is moving, which days are side days, how the index is behaving that particular day. So then you will understand that when to hold the trades and like when to book your profit. So we'll take short position below this candle, and this is our sell, and here also we are getting very less, 0 is to 0.5, because our SL is very weak for this particular day, right? That is why. So this thing also you have to keep in mind, that this particular day my SL is very weak, and because of that we are getting less profit. But actually you are not getting less profit, right? So Reliance future is 300, its lot capacity is 300. So if you are capturing 11 points, that means that you are earning 300 3300 per day for a future lot, which is costing 1,20,000 bucks. So which is almost like almost 2.5%, I mean almost 3%, 2.5, more than 2.5%. So 2.5% intraday is not that bad. People cannot earn 2.5% in month. Okay, so it's really very good. See here, sell signal is generated, but the low is not breached. Here the buy signal is generated, and see how the market was trending. So that's how this indicator is working, guys. If you are interested to integrate this indicator in your trading, or you can make this indicator as part of your trading journey. So I will provide my number in the description of this particular video, so you can contact me. I will inform you the pricing and all for this particular indicator, so that you can like get this and start using in your daily trading and make some good benefit out of it. Thank you guys for the video. I know the video is a little bit lengthy, but definitely it took some time to demonstrate in different indexes, and also like the stocks. So you will not believe that how beautifully this indicator is working in the commodity. So I'll just quickly show you one example in the crude oil, and you'll just be amazed to see the risk to reward in the crude oil. See here. So as you know that the liquidity comes in the crude oil market after second half, or after 1 p.m. time frame, 1 p.m. 2 p.m. right? So see here, on 5th April, there was a sell signal generated, and we entered, and this was our stop loss. And see, this is 1 is to almost 1 is to 3 risk to reward ratio. Next day, we got one buy signal generated over here, but this high was not breached. Here we got one buy signal generated. So here we have one. This is the reference, and this should be our stop loss. Okay, and see, when the high is broken, this is the risk to reward that we get, 1 is to 1.5. Okay, see here, before that day, it's 12 p.m. so we'll be ignoring that. See here, this day, see here at 250, this was sideways. Okay, at 1 we got like one sell signal generated, so we'll consider it. We are not going to show you only the profits, we'll also show you the losses. So here we got one sell signal generated, this is our stop loss. Okay, so our stop loss is hit, we gave 15 points, it's fine. Now see here, we get one buy signal generated, we enter above this candle, and this is our sell. See the return, you got 15 points, you lost 15 points, right? How much you recovered? 1 is to 3, you recovered 56 minus 15, like 41 points, right? Let's assume 40 points, you recovered 40 points in the same day. This is how beautifully it is working. Let's quickly see the natural gas. In commodity, it is working wonderfully. See here, Here you get one buy signal generated. Take long position above this, and your result should be this one. How much risk to reward you are getting? Almost 1:2.5. Okay, you are getting. Before that day, we got one sell signal generated over here. See how much is our risk to reward? 1:12. We are giving 0.4 point of stop loss and we are getting 4.8. And even after that, the market fell like anything. If you have the holding capacity, see 1:20 is our risk to reward ratio using this particular indicator. Before that, they see here, we got one long opportunity. We got more than 1:3. More than 1:3. So this is how beautifully this indicator is working. In the commodity, it's working like, see this from you. I don't need to show you by drawing. You can see like how beautifully it is trending. So in every market, it is working. You can contact me for this particular indicator. If you are interested, this will definitely be a game changer for your daily trading journey. Good luck, and we'll come to present you some other things in some other videos. So for today, I'll be signing off.